Hi friends, good morning. How are you all? So I hope you guys are doing well. So I am Aparna and welcome back to my channel, my little world. So in my today's video, I'm gonna share a huge, not that huge, but for me it's a huge profile haul which I did for the first time ever. So yes, I'm gonna do that. And one more thing I want to share with you guys is, if you are new to my channel, then and if you like me, then do subscribe my channel and hit the little bell icon, so that you guys can update it with my videos. And next up is, if you are already my subscriber, then welcome back to my channel. So I am Aparna. So yeah, and one more thing, there was a misconception happened with me, which can be happened with you guys all. You guys also, when I do my eyeshadows, it's tend to get more drying. My eyes tend to get more drying, and the veins and all, you can see through it. Okay, so that's the call. So someone, 2 or 3 persons said me that, oh, you are having wrinkles, how you are having wrinkles. And then there was one more didi, with whom I talked, and she said ki baby, it's not your wrinkles, it's happened, your eyes are drying, your eyelids are drying, basically your eye portion is drying, so that's why it's happening to you. It's not what it call, it's not wrinkles or fine lines, it's just dryness. Whenever you are making a base, do try to moisturize your eyes truly with eye serum, then you apply, because you have already dry area around your eyes, and when you are concealing it, it tend to get more dry. So I was like, hush, I am not having any fine lines and all that. So yeah, that's that. So okay, I talk just too much. So there is also another disclaimer, is that okay, so I am a person who loves to do skincare a lot. So sometimes I reviewed lots of products and sometimes I couldn't, but that doesn't mean that I don't like. It's that I am still not organized. That is why these things happen. But I decided that I will organize myself and I will do every single thing that I should do in YouTube, like from reviewing and sharing with skincares, everything, and that will be affordable ones. So yeah, and now there is disclaimer about my huge purple haul. Okay, so I thought that I should try some new brand products other than Good Vibes and all. So that's why I tried something, some other new brand from Purple. And it's just because I am doing YouTube and I thought that I should be more passionate on it. And ठीक है, तो just because it is that कि just because I am doing YouTube, that's why I need to purchase new products, new things, so that I can give a positive review. So that's why please don't judge me like that कि ये तो इतना पैसा खर्च कर रही है and all that. So yeah, बहुत ज़्यादा बकबक हो गई है. So let's not talk too much and quickly jump on the video. Let me share with you guys that what I have. So here I have this big fat thing, and I have my products inside this, and I will share everything in pretty random order. So yeah, so the first product I have, This two, these are from Alps Goodness, and it is their Multani Mitti, I guess. Yes, this is their Multani Mitti powder. Then again I have two more. One is Shikakai and one is beetroot powder. Then I have lotus powder. Everything is from Alps Goodness. Then next up I have two sheet masks, and these are from again Alps Goodness. Okay, so nowadays it's pretty much important to maintain hygiene, and the local sanitizers that I am using, it's just pulling off my skin and it's just making my hand rough. So I don't know you guys can see it or not. Here I have that kind of problem, so I thought why not try something else, and thus I have this. These are the Good Vibes, yes, the Good Vibes hand sanitizer. This is liquidy, and there is a difference between liquid and gel. If you are having gel sanitizer, then you need to take more quantity, but if it is water, then little quantity is enough for spreading it out. And next up I have this green tea toner from Alps Goodness. Then okay, then hand hygiene के साथ साथ it's pretty much important to have a safe toilet, like maintaining toilet hygiene, because from there also there are many transmitted disease can happen. So I have this too, and this is again from Good Vibes Be Sure Toilet Seat Spray Sanitizer. One is from neem extract, and another one is with neem extract. I have two variants, I think mint and lemon. So yeah, okay, so then I have again from Good Vibes, and it is their raspberry and peppermint shower gel. Then I have again from Good Vibes, it's their cucumber gel. Then I have body lotion from Good Vibe. It is their liquorized body lotion. There is many variants on every product, and Good Vibes is, you can get Good Vibe products exclusively on purple.com, and they are just awesome. I love some of Good Vibe products, so I thought try more products. And then I have again, okay, it is a chotu version of Wow Onion Blackshade hair oil. I got this for free. Okay, so then I have Good Vibes lemon and cucumber under eye serum. Next up I have two Good Vibes tea tree oil control serum, tea tree and papaya oil control serum. Okay, I brought one and I got another one free. So yeah, these two मेरा stock update हो गया like that. Then I have again another Good Vibe product. It is their almond skin brightening facial oil, sweet almond skin brightening facial oil. Okay, now last but not least from Good Vibes, it is their peppermint and raspberry nourishing hand cream. As I am saying that we have to, keep washing our hands throughout soaps, like hand wash or sanitizer. So it was like making my hand pretty rough, so that's why I thought why not try some hand creams. Okay, and next product is again it is their Good Vibes rose clay powder. And now I have Alps Goodness hydrating serum, which gonna provide you hydration to skin, antioxidant in nature, and helps reducing dark spots. So yeah, this. Okay, so next product I have the Damn Dog Skin White face cream. Okay, so let me tell you one pathetic thing. Inside it came like this tub, but you can see it's not opening, and I think I need to do something else with this. So देखते हैं क्या होता है इससे, because it's not opening up. Like everyone tried in my house and everyone just failed drastically. So देखते हैं इसका कुछ जुगाड़ करना है अभी. Okay, so next up I have this Dumb Dog Screen Brightening Face Toner, and it's also 120 ml of quantity. Then I have Dumb Dog Body Radiance Lotion, means body lotion. So yeah, this. Next up I have the Dumb Dog Oil Control Face Wash. Next up I have this Dumb Dog Soft Foot Cream. Then I have the Dumb Dog Moisturizing Eye Serum. Then I have this Skin Restoration Face Serum with Vitamin E. So from inside it came like this. You can get a top. You will get a dropper and the bottle. So yeah. Okay, so I got this another one. इसके साथ ये free मिला था. So yeah, that is it. And next up I have the Skin Brightening Face Mask from same brand, the Dumb Dog, and you will get this on purple.com exclusively. And then I have this face hydrating gel from Dumb Dog. Okay, it has a mild smell. Okay, let me try to open it. Okay, it's opening up. So it's gel like consistency. So next I have the Skin Hydrating Night Cream from Dumb Dog, and last but not least I have this Alp Goodness Rose. This is all for today's video, so I'm soon going to back with new video. Till then, be happy, be healthy, and keep smiling. And of course, if you like my channel, then do subscribe my channel and share with your friends and families. And soon I am going to come up with my updated skincare range. So yeah, till then, be happy, be healthy, and keep smiling. Ta-da!